Hi guys, I'm Said and I'm with you on Travelmakers TV with another video. Today officially we are going to start another season on Travelmakers TV. It is called Benelux season. But first I'm going to explain you what is the meaning of Benelux. Benelux comes from BE from Belgium, NE from Netherlands and Lux from Luxembourg. So Benelux is a kind of abbreviation from Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. In this season I'm going to show you the most important cities and touristic villages, and also a lot of famous and of course non-famous touristic destination in these three countries. And also I'm going to show you a very kind of interesting traditions that people in these three countries have. Okay, first we are going to start in this season we are going to start with my favorite city. It is Ghent. It's you can see its location in Belgium. You know, it's a city in Belgium. In this this is the location of Ghent. And yes, let's go to show you. Yes, here we are. In Ghent, I started from here, cycling to here. So I just wrote the name of the street and the important destination in this place that I cycled. So I'm trying to show you 5 highlights in each videos. In the Benelux season, I'm trying to show you 5 highlights of each cities in 5 minutes. But for the first episode of this season, I think it will be a little longer because I explained a little about the meaning of Benelux, so it will be a little longer. But in general, the purpose of this season is showing 5 highlights in each episode in 5 minutes. So, and also, you know, 1 minute walking or cycling and showing you the atmosphere of the city that I've been. Yes, let's go and start with Ghent, Belgium 5 highlights.